Hello everyone, welcome back to tutorial. Sorry. Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to Google Calendar. How to use a Google Calendars. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Calendar apps, and then for a Google Calendar apps, you can click on a trellis icon. In here you can see you can set the events, the text, or the reminder. You can set the text, event, and reminder. And after this, the Google Calendar, you can sign in with your Google account. And after this, in here you can set a schedule, and in here you can see this is a mini schedule in my calendar. So that's how to Google Calendar apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.